fan palms that are needing to be repotted. So I've got several of these 1 gallon pots, and I got a few more Mexican fan palms over there that are in little quarts. So I'm just kind of upgrading them, and I just use this basic citrus palm cactus dirt from Lowe's, and I'm just repotting them and getting them into something a little bit bigger, and hopefully they'll be in here for a year or two before we have to do it again. But just wanted to give an update. I got 7 of these, and so I'm gonna get them in pot, and then hopefully those California fan palms will pop, and we can get them in something like this and give them a few seasons. But thanks for watching. I just wanted to give an update on repotting some Mexican fan palms we have here. Thanks.